Benny! Happy birthday, buddy! Malibu, can you sing happy birthday to Benny? Benny, guess what day it is? It's your birthday today. Yes, you're 1 year old. Can you believe it? He's one. He's a big puppy. It's December 12th and it's Benny's birthday today. He's jumping on me now. He is 1 year old and I'm going to try to take him to the pet store. Well, I'm going to take him, but I don't know how he's going to act. And hopefully he's going to be a good boy. And he's going to pick out probably a toy or two. Oh, the light turned off. Or a treat. Or something like that. Anyway, we're going to bring him to the pet store and see what he does. Happy birthday, Benny. Take it. Take your toy. Which one you want? You want the other one that's dead? Here. Play with your brother. You like it? See ya. What about you, Oasis? You want to play with that? No. See, I don't look at your head. It's flat. Oasis, let me see your head. Flat head. From being out in the rain. Good boy. Malibu, can you sing happy birthday to Benny? He's going to sing you a happy birthday any minute now. Yes, he is. Right, Malibu? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Spanish birthday, sing a song, let's go. Happy birthday to you. You. Benny, Mommy will sing you a song, okay? Mommy sing you a song. Come on, Malibu, you can do it.